A duplicate account warning on Fetch Rewards usually happens when the system detects more than one account connected to the same person, device, or sign-up information, and creating another account rarely solves the problem. By the end of this, you'll know why duplicate account warnings appear, how to resolve them correctly, and what to avoid so your account stays in good standing. The first step is figuring out whether you actually have more than one account. Think back to whether you've signed up before using a different email address, another login method like Google or Apple, or an old phone. It's easy to forget an earlier account, especially if you haven't used it in a long time. If you remember an older account, don't create a third one. Instead, try recovering access to the original account by using the password reset option or the same sign-in method you used when you registered. Using one account consistently is the safest approach. If you share a phone or tablet with someone else, keep in mind that account activity on the same device may trigger additional reviews. Each person should follow the platform's account rules and avoid signing in and out of multiple accounts without a legitimate reason. Another common cause is signing in with the wrong login method. For example, if you originally registered with Google, but later tried to create a new account using the same email and a password, the system may recognize that information as already associated with an existing account. Before registering again, always try every login option connected to your email address. If you're certain you only have one account, but still receive a duplicate account message, contact Fetch Rewards support. Explain the situation clearly, and include the email address connected to your account, the exact error message, and any screenshots that show the warning. Providing complete information makes it easier for the support team to review your account history. Avoid deleting the app or repeatedly creating new accounts while waiting for a response. Those actions usually don't remove the duplicate account flag and can make the review process more complicated. The goal is to verify your existing account, not replace it. To sum it up, check whether you already have an older account, recover that account instead of creating another one, use the correct sign-in method, and contact support if the warning appears by mistake. Next, write down the login method you use for Fetch Rewards so future sign-ins are consistent and you don't accidentally create another account. If this guide helped, like the video, subscribe for more Fetch Rewards troubleshooting guides, and check out our other videos covering receipt issues, missing points, and account recovery.